class 10 example sum 7.31. A right circular cylindrical container of base radius 6 cm and height is 15 cm is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled in cones of height 9 cm and base radius 3 cm having a hemispherical cap. Find the number of cones needed to empty. See, here we have three objects. One of the object is a cylindrical container. The cylindrical container, the radius is given as, let me take it as radius as r, that is 6 centimeter, and then height of the cylinder is 15 centimeter. And then this total ice cream is to be emptied in a shape of cone, with the hemispherical cap in the ice cream, right? So this radius is equal to, let me take it as r1 is equal to 3 centimeter is given. The height of the cone, this is the height of the cone, let me take it as, this height is take it as h, this height will be taken as h1 is equal to, that is given as 9 centimeter. See, we know that from the center of the circle, if you draw a line, that will be the radius, right? Here for hemispherical, the radius is act as the height. So the height of the hemispherical, h is equal to r. The height of the hemispherical is nothing but the same 3 centimeter, right? Therefore, the total height of this is 9 plus 3 is 12. The total height of the ice cream cone is 12. Here, the height of the hemispherical shape is 3. The height of the cone is 9. Now, we want to find how many cones can be made, right? How many number of cones needed to empty the container. This total volume is converted into a number of small cones like this, right? So, now we have to write what are the objects here. One of the object is cylinder, another one is a cone, another one is a hemisphere. If you split it like this, it is very easy to write the what is the height, radius and the particular object. So that's why I am writing this, right? So here the radius of the cylinder r is equal to 6 centimeter and the height h is equal to 15 centimeter. The cone, the radius of the cone, let me take it as r1 is equal to 3 centimeter and the height h1 is equal to 9 centimeter. The hemispherical, the radius is also the r1, that is 3 centimeter. Now, the volume of the cylinder is equal to number of volume of cone plus hemisphere is the formula. It is actually we want to find out, because the cylinder is equal to sum of the volume of these two objects. So n into our volume of cylinder is equal to number of, here let me take it as, let n is the number of cone. Here ice cream cone, here we have mentioned the cone means the total objects of cone and the hemisphere, right? Number of cone, right? The volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. We know the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is nothing but pi r square h cubic unit, and then here n into volume of the cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi, here r square h. Here the radius is r1 and the height is also h1, right? Plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of sphere we know that 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Here 2 by 3 pi r1 cube is the formula. Here we want to find the number of terms. So I take the number of n here itself. I choose this term to another side. See, and also we can first take out the common elements here. See, 1 by 3 is the common. 1 by 3 is take it out commonly, and here we have pi also the common, right? R1 square also the common. So 1 by 3. Let me write it here. So n into 1 by 3 pi r1 square into, here we have h1 plus 2 into r1, here we have pi r square h. We want to find only n, so I take the n itself. The whole term take it to another side means it is in the multiplication, so it becomes denominator of the another side. So pi r square h divided by 1 by 3 pi r1 square into h1 plus 2 r1. Now apply the values. So n is equal to, here also we have pi, here also we have pi, cancel. Here the radius of the cylinder is r is equal to 6 and height is equal to 15. So 6 into 6 r square, so 6 into 6, height is 15, divided by 1 by 3. Here r1 is nothing but 3, r1 square means 3 into 3, and then h1 is nothing but 9 plus 2 into r1 is nothing but 3. So here 3 will be cancelled. Here 3 ones are, 3 5s are, right? Either we can, here 3 will be cancelled. Here we have 3 ones are, either we can cancel any one of the term. Here I choose 15, 3 ones are, 3 5s are 15. So n is equal to 6 into 6 into 5 divided by 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 9 is 15. So 1s are, 5 ones are, 5 3s are, 3 ones are, 3 2s are. So n is equal to 6 2s are 12. So therefore 12 ice cream cone are required to empty the cylindrical container. So total 12 ice cream cones should be emptied the container. Thank you, students.